Hi, my name is Gerry Chretien, and we live in Cape May County, New Jersey.
I'm Lisa Chretiens, and we just became Sunrun customers in June.
Each month, we get like a letter, or we get something in the email saying you're above the top % of energy users. And I would get this and look at the bar graph, and they would say like, this is the low, this is the medium, and this is you.
And he'd feel guilty about it.
Yeah, I would be.
He'd feel really, we shouldn't be using this much.
And I would walk by the meter, and the meter used to spin. Just I remember every time it would go around, I would just think dollar signs.
My friend Fran at work was talking about it. She was saying how she loved her solar, and so she gave me the number, and Kendall was the one that contacted us. And we set up a date, and we met here at our house, and she came over and sat patiently with us, answering all of our questions. Kendall is just wonderful. I mean, when we met her, that just sealed the deal. I'm thrilled, absolutely thrilled. One, because it's environmentally friendly, and that the energy that we're producing is saving us money, especially 2 kids in college.
I think with us, controlling, the amount of money we're putting out. And now I don't worry about that. As long as the sun's up, solar energy will be produced.
All you can do is save. You're saving money, you're saving energy, you're saving the world. So why would you not do it?